Hey everybody, Magic Matt here, and I'm here in the creek in Fairfax. And I don't know when I'll be back at this spot again, but this is a lovely spot. This is where my kids grew up, playing in this creek. They countless times swimming and splashing and playing in the creek. It's beautiful. I can hear some music being played on guitar nearby. People congregate here during the summer and cool off. It's really nice. Redwoods all around here. Kids playground right to our left, right behind the camera over there. And just happy to be here and bringing this great video to you. I wanted to talk about yoing and my yoing adventure, or yo-yoing. Some people call it yoing. I like to say yoing, it sounds kind of funny. And I started in 3rd grade. I was like at 7-Eleven buying some candy probably, and the Duncan YoYo man came by and he was pitching yo-yos, and I bought a yo-yo and he had a little contest, and I went and entered one of these contests at the local 7-Eleven, and after I practiced a while I won one of the contests. And then I was supposed to go to the all-city Santa Monica contest at the Santa Monica Place Mall, but my ride, I couldn't get a ride. So the parent that was supposed to give me a ride didn't do it. I didn't make it. The big first prize was a Huffy bicycle, like a dirt bike, and I think I could have won. I saw the guy, but I didn't make it. So I yo-yoed for a few years after that, throughout the years of my childhood, and then I put down the yo-yo for a while, went in the military, stuff like that. And then in my 20s, I picked up the yo-yo again and I progressed and I got better and better. I put it down, and throughout my life I've had different times where I've yo-yoed and not, and I find it's really good for, like, if you're on a computer a lot, which I do, and it's good for loosening up the wrist, you know, the whole wrist action carpal tunnel session. So I have my Skyva magic yo-yo here, and this is a great yo-yo. I've been using this one for my videos a lot. It's a non-responsive yo-yo, and I'm gonna do a new trick I learned. So I'm in the process of learning some new tricks. I've done, over the past 31 days, I've done basically 31 different tricks, and I'm trying to learn some more now so I can keep bringing nice videos for you. And the one I got prepared right now is a laceration bind, and it's not a trick per se, but it's part of a trick. It could be used during tricks. So with a non-responsive yo-yo, once you throw the yo-yo down, you can't just yank it back up because it won't do that. It's made not to do that because you want to be able to do these slack tricks where you toss the string in slack mode, and if you toss the string and it's a responsive yo-yo, it'll just come back to your hand. Got some sirens going on here. So I hope everybody's okay out there with the sirens. Let that pass by, and we'll get the Bernoulli effect soon. That's when the siren changes pitch because it's moving. Anyhow, so I'm gonna do this trick. It's a laceration whip with the yo-yo, and what it does is it allows the yo-yo to come back to the hand. So up until now, I've been doing binds like this, like that's a bind. So I had to double the string, and then it kind of gets caught up in there a little more, and it gets thick enough so that it can bind on the axle and come back to the hand. So that's the way I've learned how to do binds before, but now I'm learning this new thing called a laceration bind, where I don't have to manually stick the string in there like that. So this is a laceration bind that I learned. It's pretty cool. That's a laceration bind in the front. Now I'll show you on the side style. That's a laceration bind on the side style. So hey, it's been fun, beautiful day. Thanks for sharing it with me, and I'll see you soon.